Did you know that early interventions can be the word of difference in your child's communication skills? The early you will start, the easy it will be for your child to develop their expressive language. When it comes to expressive language, it is not just in words, but it is from very starting, from gestures, from pointing out. So, when you start early, just think like planting a tree. Early you will start nurturing the tree, the stronger the roots will be. Therefore, in this video, I will be discussing what are the benefits of early interventions and how you can help your child by doing some activities so that they start expressing themselves.
Hi, I am a mom of two and a modern mother who want to embrace every moment of parenting, knowing how quickly our little ones grow and leave us with the precious memories. However, I know how easy it is for gadgets to take up too much of our time, leaving less for our children. That's why I'm passionate about gadget free parenting, where technology has its place but never empowers the essence of true connection with our kids. Welcome to my channel where we focus on mindful gadgetry parenting.
सो आज का टॉपिक है हम लोग कैसे अर्ली इंटरवेंशंस के सपोर्ट से वी कैन हेल्प आवर चाइल्ड टू स्टार्ट expressing themselves. See, try to understand first thing. Expressing is not only in terms of words. Before your child start expressing in words, they start expressing through gestures. They start pointing out to things. They start, showing some non-verbal clues if they want something. So that also plays very important role, because babbling is again a thing which is important when it comes to make your child start communicating in words. But for all these things, you have to start working very early so that they are not having any late signals, or they are not delay in their progress, delay in their milestones. Therefore, agar if you want your child to keep on achieving age appropriate milestones, start very early, because early interventions is not just to make them speak, but when you will start early, you will observe that their eye contact has started increasing, their listening capacity is increasing, like listening skills are increasing, they are paying attention, they are trying to answer your questions. So all these things will play very important role when it will come to express themselves in terms of words. So early intervention से क्या होगा? Early intervention से they will develop basic fundamental skills which are needed to make your child start communicating in words. So the sooner you will start, the easy it will be for your child to express themselves in words. So early interventions play very important role when it comes to your child's development. It is not only development which is related to expressive language, but yes, in terms of connection, in terms of bonding, in terms of understanding how your child will start, how reactive your child is, how receptive your child is. To understand all these things, you need to start early, you need to start from home. All right. And second, with this I want to share a story of Ria. She is a mom of 2 years old child. She 2 years old daughter. Okay, तो उसको क्या हुआ, what happened, she thought कि my child is not able to communicate properly in terms of words. Though Ria's daughter was able to communicate through gestures, through non-verbal communication was there, pointing out was there, but words were not appropriate and words were not as per her age milestone. So she identified, she started working on activities like eye contact, listening skills, so sari activities which are the foundation of um, developing expressive language. She started working on those things and she observed कि within 1 month उसकी vocabulary has started increasing. And when vocabulary will start increasing, automatically you will observe that yes, my child has started expressing themselves in terms of words. So from words, gradually you can develop their more vocabulary so that they can start expressing themselves in the entire sentence. But before that, you need to work on basic fundamental skills so that you can easily work on your child's expressive language. So expressive language के लिए, in short, let me tell you what things are important. To develop expressive language, you need to develop eye contact of your child. His listening skills should be good, because जब तक वो सुनेंगे नहीं properly या attention नहीं pay करेंगे, do you think that they will able to remember words? और जब तक वो words नहीं remember करेंगे, how they will able to relate when it will come to express themselves. So asking questions is the third parameter which plays very important role in developing your child's communication skills. Expressive communication skills. How your child is listening, how your child is paying attention to things, how they are answering questions, that is something which is a fundamental of, these are the roots we can say. So jab tak we will not try to stronger the roots, the tree will not be strong. So try to understand that this is a language tree. हम लोग लैंग्वेज ट्री की जब बात करते हैं, लैंग्वेज की बात करते हैं, we need to work on the roots part. We need to start with roots. To start with roots, you need to work on these parameters. Yes. And second important thing is, जब हमको कोई ट्री को ग्रो करना होता है, we need water and sunlight also. So what is water, what is sunlight, that I will be talking about in second video, in second part of this video, as a language tree. Okay, so just remember, early interventions are like roots which are important and which you need to work from very starting, say when your child is 12 months old or between 12 to 15 months के बीच में, you need to start working on it. You need to take proper activities so that उनका जो बाकी skills है, because their brain is developing very fast at that age. तो we need कि brain should be properly developed in a proper direction. Development तो होएगा ही brain का. Constructive development करना है या destructive development करना है. So it is on us as a parent to work on activities, make a proper plan so that जो उनका development है, that is a constructive development. It is not a destructive development. Alright, so I hope I have made this point very clear कि early interventions का क्या role होता है in expressive language and how as a parent you can work on constructive language of your child.